Buying a used BMW can feel like a gamble. On one side, you have some of the best driving cars ever made, machines that combine performance, luxury, and engineering in a way few brands can match. But on the other side, you've probably heard the horror stories: expensive repairs, complicated engines, and owners who ended up spending thousands of dollars fixing problems they never expected. And the truth is, some of those stories are absolutely real. Not every BMW is a smart purchase on the used market. In fact, some models can turn what seemed like a great deal into a very expensive mistake. But here's the part most people don't realize. There are also several BMW models that are surprisingly reliable. Cars with proven engines, solid engineering, and ownership costs that are far more reasonable than their reputation suggests. The problem is that most buyers don't know how to tell the difference. They either avoid BMW completely, or they buy the wrong one and learn the hard way. So in this video, we're going to break it down clearly. We'll look at 4 used BMWs that are known for being surprisingly reliable when properly maintained, and 3 models that may look like a bargain but can easily drain your wallet if you're not careful. If you're thinking about buying a used BMW, this is exactly the kind of information that can save you thousands of dollars and help you make a much smarter decision. Let's get started. The first surprisingly reliable BMW on this list is the BMW 3 Series E90. Especially models equipped with the naturally aspirated N52 inline-6 engine. Produced between 2006 and 2011, the E90 generation represents one of the last truly simple modern BMWs before turbocharging and complex electronics became standard across the lineup. Under the hood, the N52 engine is widely considered one of BMW's most dependable modern power plants. It's a naturally aspirated 3.0-liter inline-6 that delivers smooth power, great throttle response, and a driving experience that still feels very much like a classic BMW. Models like the 328i are the sweet spot here. With around 230 horsepower, the performance is more than adequate, and the engine avoids many of the high-stress components that come with turbocharged setups. From a reliability standpoint, the N52 has a strong reputation for longevity when properly maintained. It doesn't suffer from the high-pressure fuel pump failures that plagued some early turbo BMW engines, and overall it's mechanically simpler compared to later models. That said, it's still a BMW, so there are a few known issues to keep in mind. Owners may eventually deal with things like valve cover gasket leaks, electric water pump replacement, or oil filter housing gasket leaks. These are common maintenance items rather than catastrophic failures, and most experienced BMW mechanics know exactly how to handle them. The key advantage here is predictability. The problems are well known, parts are widely available, and repair procedures are straightforward compared to many newer BMW models. That makes the E90 328i one of the safest entry points into BMW ownership if you want the brand's signature driving experience without stepping into a financial minefield. And because these cars have already taken the bulk of their depreciation, you can often find well-maintained examples at very reasonable prices on the used market. For buyers who want a balanced combination of reliability, driving dynamics, and affordability, the E93 series with the N52 engine is one of the smartest used BMW purchases you can make. The second surprisingly reliable BMW on this list is the BMW 5 Series E60. Specifically the models equipped with the naturally aspirated N52 inline-6 engine, like the 528i and 530i produced between 2006 and 2010. When the E60 first came out, it was a controversial car because of its bold design and the introduction of BMW's early iDrive system. But over time, many enthusiasts and owners have come to appreciate it for what it really is: a comfortable, well-engineered luxury sedan that can also be a surprisingly dependable used BMW when you choose the right version. Just like the E90 we mentioned earlier, the key here is the N52 engine. This naturally aspirated 3.0-liter inline-6 avoids many of the complexities and potential issues associated with turbocharged BMW engines from later generations. It delivers smooth power, excellent balance, and the kind of refined driving feel that made BMW famous. The E60 also benefits from being built during a period when BMW was still heavily focused on solid mechanical engineering. The chassis is well balanced, the steering feel is excellent, and the overall driving experience still feels engaging even by modern standards. Of course, like any older luxury car, there are a few known maintenance items owners should be aware of. Electric water pumps, valve cover gaskets, and oil filter housing gaskets are common service points as the car ages. Some early iDrive systems can also feel outdated compared to modern infotainment systems, but from a reliability standpoint, they're generally manageable once you understand the system. The important thing is that these issues are predictable and well documented within the BMW community. Independent BMW specialists see these cars all the time, which helps keep maintenance costs far more reasonable than many people expect. Another big advantage of the E60 is value. Because these cars have already gone through significant depreciation, buyers can often find clean examples with good maintenance history at very attractive prices. For someone looking for a comfortable luxury sedan with classic BMW driving dynamics and relatively manageable ownership costs, the E60 5 Series with the N52 engine remains one of the smartest used BMW options on the market. The third surprisingly reliable BMW on this list is the BMW 2 Series F22, particularly the 230i models equipped with the B48 turbocharged four-cylinder engine. Produced starting in 2017, the F22 2 Series represents a newer generation of BMW engineering, and it shows how much the brand improved its powertrains after some of the reliability challenges from the early turbo era. The 2 Series is also one of the purest driving BMWs you can still buy on the used market. It's compact, relatively lightweight by modern standards, and designed with a strong focus on driver engagement. The steering is responsive, the chassis is well balanced, and the overall feel is very much in line with what enthusiasts expect from the brand. Under the hood, the B48 engine plays a big role in why this model makes the reliable list. This 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder is part of BMW's newer modular engine family, which has developed a strong reputation for durability and efficiency. In the 230i, it produces around 248 horsepower, which is more than enough to make the small 2 Series feel quick and responsive. Compared to some earlier turbo engines, the B48 has proven to be far more robust in long-term ownership. While no modern turbo engine is completely free of potential issues, widespread catastrophic failures simply aren't common with the B48 when the car is properly maintained. Regular oil changes, proper cooling system maintenance, and staying on top of scheduled services go a long way toward keeping these engines healthy. From an ownership perspective, the 230i also benefits from being a relatively simple configuration within BMW's lineup. It doesn't have the high-performance stress levels of M models, and it avoids some of the more complex hybrid or highly boosted setups seen in newer vehicles. That combination of modern engineering, solid performance, and manageable maintenance makes the F22 30i one of the most appealing newer used BMWs available today. For buyers who want a relatively modern BMW with strong reliability and an engaging driving experience, the 2 Series with the B48 engine is definitely one of the smartest choices you can make. The fourth surprisingly reliable BMW on this list is the BMW X3 G01, particularly the X3 xDrive 30i equipped with the B48 turbocharged four-cylinder engine, produced from 2018 onward. The G01 generation marked a major step forward for BMW in terms of build quality, technology, and overall engineering maturity. By this point, BMW had already refined its new modular engine family, and many of the early turbocharging reliability issues from previous years had been largely resolved. That's one of the reasons the G01 X3 has quickly built a reputation as one of the most dependable modern BMW SUVs. The B48 engine once again plays a key role here. This 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder produces around 248 horsepower in the X3 xDrive 30i, delivering a strong balance between performance and efficiency. It provides smooth power delivery, solid torque for daily driving, and enough performance to make the X3 feel quick without putting excessive stress on the engine. In terms of reliability, the B48 platform has proven to be one of BMW's better modern engines when properly maintained. Routine oil changes, cooling system maintenance, and using quality fluids are typically enough to keep these engines running smoothly for a long time. Compared to larger turbocharged engines or high-performance variants, the B48 in the X3 operates in a relatively low-stress configuration, which helps its long-term durability. The G01 X3 also benefits from improved interior quality and better electronics compared to earlier BMW SUVs. The iDrive system is far more refined than older generations. The interior materials hold up well over time, and overall the vehicle feels much more modern and durable than some previous BMW crossovers. Of course, like any luxury SUV, maintenance and repair costs will still be higher than something like a typical economy crossover. But when compared to many other premium SUVs in the same class, the X3 xDrive 30i has proven to be a relatively safe choice in the used luxury market. For buyers who want the practicality of an SUV, modern BMW technology, and a powertrain with a solid reliability reputation, the G01 X3 with the B48 engine stands out as one of the smartest used BMW SUVs you can buy. Now that we've looked at 4 BMWs that can actually be surprisingly reliable, it's time to talk about the other side of the story, the models that may look like a great deal at first, but can quickly turn into very expensive ownership experiences if you're not careful. The first BMW that can easily drain your wallet is the BMW 7 Series F01, particularly the 750i models equipped with the N63 twin-turbo V8 engine, produced between 2009 and 2020. On the surface, this car can look like an incredible bargain on the used market. The F01 7 Series was BMW's flagship luxury sedan, packed with technology, high-end materials, and an incredibly powerful engine. When new, these cars often sold for well over $80,000. Today, you can sometimes find them for a fraction of that price, which makes them very tempting for buyers looking to get a lot of luxury for relatively little money. But the problem lies under the hood. The N63 twin-turbo V8 has developed a reputation for being one of the most problematic modern BMW engines. While it delivers impressive performance, with well over 400 horsepower in many versions, it also introduced several complex engineering decisions that created long-term reliability challenges. The engine uses a hot V design, where the turbochargers sit inside the valley of the engine. While this layout improves performance and packaging, it also creates extremely high heat in a very tight space. Over time, that heat can accelerate wear on multiple components. Owners frequently report issues involving valve stem seals, excessive oil consumption, turbocharger wear, cooling system problems, and expensive fuel system components. BMW even launched a major service campaign years ago to address some of the early problems with the N63. But even with those updates, the engine can still be very expensive to maintain as it ages. Another factor is that the 7 Series itself is a very complex luxury car. It includes advanced electronics, air suspension systems, multiple control modules, and a large number of comfort features that can become costly to repair once the vehicle is out of warranty. When everything is working properly, the F01 750i can be an incredible car to drive. It's powerful, extremely comfortable, and still feels like a true flagship luxury sedan. But when problems start to appear, repair bills can escalate quickly into the thousands of dollars. That's why many experienced BMW mechanics and enthusiasts often recommend avoiding the N63-powered 750i unless you are fully prepared for the potential ownership costs. What looks like a luxury bargain at first can very easily turn into one of the most expensive used BMW experiences you could buy. The second BMW that can quickly drain your wallet is the BMW 5 Series F10. Specifically the 535i models equipped with the N54 twin-turbo inline-6 engine produced in the early years of this generation. At first glance, the F10 5 Series seems like an incredible used luxury sedan. It has a refined interior, excellent ride comfort, strong performance, and a design that still looks modern today. Because of depreciation, these cars can now be found at prices that seem extremely attractive for a mid-size luxury sedan that originally cost well over $50,000. But the issue again comes down to the engine. The N54 was BMW's first mass-produced turbocharged inline-6, and while it delivered impressive performance, it also became known for several reliability concerns that owners often face as the cars age. The engine produces strong power and responds very well to tuning, which made it extremely popular with enthusiasts. However, that performance came with a number of complicated components that can become expensive over time. One of the most widely known issues involves the high-pressure fuel pump, which was problematic enough that BMW had to extend warranties on many vehicles. Fuel injectors can also be expensive to replace, and the turbochargers themselves may eventually require service or replacement as mileage increases. In addition, owners often encounter carbon buildup on the intake valves, which is a common issue with direct injection engines. Fixing this typically requires a procedure known as walnut blasting to clean the intake valves. None of these problems are necessarily catastrophic on their own, but when several of them occur over time, the repair costs can add up quickly. The reality is that the N54 engine can be rewarding to drive. but it requires an owner who is prepared for the maintenance and potential repairs that come with a complex turbocharged setup. For buyers looking for a safer used BMW in this generation, many experts actually recommend choosing the later N55 engine instead, which simplified the turbo system and generally proved to be more reliable in long-term ownership. Because of that, while the F1 itself is a great chassis and a comfortable luxury sedan, the early N54-powered versions are often considered a risky purchase for buyers who are simply looking for affordable and predictable BMW ownership. The third BMW that can easily become a financial headache is the BMW X5 E70. Especially the X-Drive 50i models equipped with the N63 twin-turbo V8 engine, produced between 2011 and 2013. The E70 X5 is a very appealing SUV on the used market. It has a strong road presence, a comfortable and spacious interior, and it delivers the kind of driving dynamics that helped BMW build its reputation for making sporty SUVs. Even today, the design still looks upscale, and because these vehicles have already gone through heavy depreciation, they can often be found for prices that seem like an incredible deal for a luxury SUV. But just like the 7 Series we mentioned earlier, the biggest concern again comes down to the N63 engine. In the X5 X-Drive 50i, this twin-turbo V8 produces impressive performance, with well over 400 horsepower and strong acceleration for a vehicle of this size. On the road, it feels fast, smooth, and powerful, which makes the car very attractive during a test drive. However, long-term ownership can be a very different story. The N63 engine has become known for several recurring issues that can be extremely expensive to fix. Excessive oil consumption is one of the most widely reported problems, often related to valve stem seal wear. Turbochargers operate in an extremely hot environment because of the engine's hot V design, which can accelerate wear on surrounding components. Owners may also face problems involving cooling systems, timing components, and various engine seals that can degrade over time. When repairs are needed, the labor involved in accessing some of these components can be extensive, which drives up repair costs significantly. On top of that, the E70 X5 itself is a large luxury SUV with complex systems, including advanced electronics, suspension components, and drivetrain parts that can also become expensive as the vehicle ages. When everything is working properly, the X5 X-Drive 50i can be an incredibly enjoyable SUV to drive. But the reality is that many owners underestimate how costly it can be to maintain a twin-turbo V8 BMW once it is well outside its warranty period. That's why experienced BMW buyers often recommend sticking with the 6-cylinder versions, such as the X-Drive 35i, which generally offer a much better balance between performance, reliability, and long-term ownership costs. So what's the takeaway if you're thinking about buying a used BMW? The most important thing to remember is that not all BMWs are the same when it comes to reliability. Some models with proven engines like the N52 or the newer B48 can be surprisingly dependable when properly maintained. They deliver the driving experience BMW is known for without the extreme ownership costs many people fear. On the other hand, certain models, especially those with complex twin-turbo V8 engines like the N63, can quickly become very expensive to own once problems start to appear. The smart move is to focus on the right engine, the right generation, and a solid maintenance history. If you choose carefully, a used BMW can actually be a very smart purchase. And if you want more guides on reliable BMWs and the models you should avoid, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video.